Indian Scout Bobber Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with the promise of adventure, freedom, and a unique connection to the open road. For beginners venturing into this exhilarating realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is a significant decision that shapes their journey. The Indian Scout Bobber, with its blend of bold style, accessible power, and cruiser comfort, stands as an exceptional choice. With its distinctive performance, rugged aesthetics, and rider-centric features, the Scout Bobber is a perfect companion for novices eager to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. Expressive performance and accessible power. The heart of the Indian Scout Bobber lies a potent 1133cc V-twin engine that strikes a balance between power and approachability. This engine delivers an expressive performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of cruising with power that's manageable and exhilarating. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Indian Scout Bobber is designed for rider comfort, offering a relaxed and engaged riding position characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The mid-mounted foot controls, mini-ape handlebars, and minimalist seat create an ergonomic configuration that ensures comfort during extended rides. Aggressive design and attitude. The Scout Bobber's design exudes an aggressive and stripped-down aesthetic that defines its character. Its dark and rugged appearance, coupled with the signature bobber styling, reflects a distinctive attitude that sets it apart. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the edgy and bold presence of the Scout Bobber. Responsive handling and streetwise maneuverability. The Indian Scout Bobber offers responsive handling and agile maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its sturdy chassis and dynamic characteristics contribute to a confident and controlled riding experience, whether navigating city streets or open highways. Safety features and riding assurance. Safety is a priority, especially for beginner riders. Many Indian Scout Bobber models come equipped with advanced safety features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature offers novices an added layer of confidence as they navigate various road conditions. Urban and expressive cruiser experience. The Scout Bobber's versatility allows it to excel in urban settings and open roads alike. Novice riders can transition seamlessly between city commutes and leisurely rides, all while immersing themselves in the unique and expressive cruiser experience that the Bobber provides. Community and rider camaraderie. Enthusiasts of the Indian motorcycle brand form a close-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community provides novices with access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Scout Bobber's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Indian Scout Bobber encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully embracing the unique cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Indian Scout Bobber isn't just an initial choice, it's a lifelong companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its performance, style, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Scout Bobber as they evolve from novices to experienced cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Indian Scout Bobber embodies Indian motorcycles' dedication to delivering an edgy and distinctive cruiser experience for beginners. With its expressive performance, bold design, and commitment to rider comfort and safety, the Scout Bobber offers an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By selecting an Indian Scout Bobber motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for adventurous rides and the freedom of the open road.